Hi guys, very good morning. I hope you enjoyed your weekend and you guys last week you enjoyed today's Friday and the week is finishing, so you'll be in a weekend mood. That's going to be great. And a very good hello to everybody through class 8, 9, 10, or whoever other guys who are watching in 6 or in 7 also. So I'm going to speak a bit slow so that you are able to understand and recollect and jot down what I say. It's not mandatory that you have to listen to me and to my video. This is just that I want to share a few things with you. Like in the last video, I was talking about like your time management and time in economics. The time in economics is literally nothing to do with the book value, but it's only about ourselves, how we manage our time. So we have an economic time in our life, in our family, and at our home, at our school. So this all together makes that time economics. And something related to book also, but I don't want to go into the book side of it. So basically, I was giving you an explanation, rather sharing some of my information with you, like about to set smart goals. What is to be smart? That was SMART, and the goal stands for, actually the smart goals which we need in life stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. Time is the most important thing. Once it goes, it will not come back. As you know that saying, time and tide waits for no one, neither does the watch. So whatever happens in life, whatever passes back, we cannot get it back again. So that comes into our memories, and it's a part of a nostalgia feeling in our life. And we have some sad memories, good memories, but with the sad memories also we must make sure that there was something positive in it. And so we have to be optimist in life and not become a pessimist. But some people do prefer being a pessimist, so it's okay. It's a vice versa thing, we go side by side with it. So smart goals, you got to know what you have to do. You have to be very specific what you have. See, if you have a dream, you should have a purpose. And if you have a dream, you have to have a plan. And if you have a plan, there has to be a purpose to it. Otherwise, there's no use of that plan. Okay, so that's quite the ones which I follow and the ones which I have been going through, and I have passed 47 years of my life, and I am through here and right in front of you right now. So let's get back. I was just telling you about or sharing about something like what is this important of time. Okay, this importance of time is a huge resource for individuals, for companies, for national economy. This theory allows for, it's a type of analysis of consumption behavior of individuals over the time. Like what have we been done, what have I done over the time. It's like an account book. Even a shopkeeper has an account book. What did I buy and what did I sell and what did I get that income for, which we call generally as a GDP. So taking into account like the lifespan and the relationship between income and consumption, we can bring it into our own personal life. What did we gain, what did we learn, and what did we consume, rather what did we digest in our life through parents, through school teachers, our coaches in the sense, it's not our tuition classes or anything else. I'm not degrading anything. I'm just trying to tell you the consumption part, like coaches in the school, your teachers, your game coaches, your person who's teaching you, who's coaching you, actually coaching you for any kind of thing. Even your father can be your coach, even your mom can be your coach, even your elder brother, your uncle can be your coach. The people who guide you. So what did you take and what did you give, and what was the outcome of it? So that is also a part of economics in your life. Now if I want to say that, then I have to explain to you what is actually basis of economics. Economics is nothing in our own life. It's a simple, concise, defined as in the study of how society use its limited resources. That is economics. and how we use our limited resources within ourselves in our lives to build up our character, to build up our self-esteem, to build up our confidence. That matters. So deals with the production. What did I produce out after learning? Your father invested you, your family invests in you to learn studies, to become something good. See, studies is not everything. Sometimes, please excuse me, sometimes I go a bit fast. I'm into that yawner. When I start speaking, I don't I get into the mood, and so this is what happens, that it's a social science that deals with production, distribution and consumption of goods and services, but that's in the book part. Now let's bring it personally into our life. What did my father do for what does my family do for me? They're investing into me. Then there is a distribution. If there is a brother and sister in the house, the family is there, everything has been taken care of part by part. What is the consumption? Like, what do we get? Consumption is like, how do we eat food, how do we use our resources, how do I use my clothes, how do I use my soap, how do I use my household things, how do I use it, the goods and services, and what outcome did come. Okay, it's simple like that. Now how does it affect our family as well? It's not in the books, I'm not going through the books, but it's like a family of economics. You are getting my point? It's a family of economics, which there are tensions, there are good ups and downs in life, everyone has. Even the top shots have, sometimes, we have Ambani, he's rising above $500 billion, he's now ranging again, and suddenly in the next fiscal year he goes down. So that doesn't break his heart, so he keeps on working. So as I said, you have to have a plan, and then only you can have for that plan you have to have a purpose, and then only you can get your dream done and you will be successful. Now how does that success come to you in your life? It depends upon how you are going to dream. Okay, it's not about dreaming that I want to become like Salman Khan. Yes, obviously you can. If you want to, you have to get into that energy, you have to plan for that, you have to have a purpose for that. See, if you want to become Salman Khan, that means you have to have a purpose of going into the film industry. For that you have to learn acting, which is the best acting school, what is to be done, how is to be done. Okay, some guys here always talk to me in school, sir, what about the military section? They think that I was in the military and it's very easy. No, it's not easy. Nothing is easy. Even we don't get a glass of water which is easy these days. So everything has to be planned out. Sometimes people who don't plan in life, if I take my example myself, I did not plan properly, maybe, and that's why I got a bit jumbled up within myself. And today I am thankful to God that I am be able to share my information with you, and whatever knowledge I have gained through experiences and through my own faults, and I have improvised on it and become proactive, and that's how it happens. So now family economic situations are affected by broader factors, not in the book, in our society, and those financial problems can lead to depression that hurts parent-child relationship. Prosocial behaviors lead to moral development, better outcomes in relationships, and enhanced performance at work and school. Now see, prosocial behaviors lead to moral development. If your socializing is good, you will have a good development. That means if you mix with the right people, you will get the right information. Correct? If your family atmosphere, your family climate is very good, the upbringing of yours is very good, you will have a broader social development, relationships become better, you get an enhanced performance. How do you get an enhanced performance at work and school? Suppose I'm working and I'm doing a good work and no one says anything about it, or anyone, XYZ, any of our colleagues in the teacher section, I'm a sharer. So it happens that sometimes I do a good work, I'm not vouching for anybody else, but when I'm doing a good work, even if our respected Chauhan sir comes, and even if he just jots down a message saying that you did a good work, that good job, that thing is more than enough. What do you say, it's much more to me than to praise me in front of people. So that enhances my performance. Okay, my performance was good, so now I can do better. So someone at work in the bank, If the bank manager is doing good and suddenly the bank manager, the CEO of the bank calls him and just jots down a mail and saying that good job, Mr. So and so, keep it up, I like your energy and we should go on like this, he'll get that energy, it enhances his performance. Like in class, when you do something good, when you ask a good question, or when you're doing something good, like I'm talking about Rockstar, like when you did that march past, I was flabbergasted. I didn't know what to say. The only thing which I could do was this, and I just said thank you for this great job. I didn't do anything. That enhancement was within you because I was able to guide you and get into your brain. Okay, so that happens same thing at work, relationships, and school as well. Clear? So this is how it happens. Sometimes we think when we become more older, after our class 10, class 12, among other things, the main thing is the problem between genders, the wage inequality between genders. Like the husband and wife both are working, the wife is earning more than the husband, then that problem creates that ego issues which should not be there. So if we have a positive attitude from our childhood, excuse me, from our childhood, positive attitude from our childhood and our upbringing from our family side, that's why I say father and mother are the best teachers in your whole lifetime, because they have gone through that and you will be also going through that. So you have to be prepared for it. If you are not prepared for anything and if you are not ready for anything, if you don't calculate the negatives, we will fall into this COVID-19 scenario. The world was ready for action. The world was ready for bombing. The world was ready for war. Okay. But we were not ready for this pandemic, or rather this COVID-19. Okay. So we didn't have the medicine. We thought, okay, fine. We just shrugged off our shoulders. Come on, fine. It's okay. When it comes, we'll see about it. But when it came, it made a massacre all over the world. So this is how it happens, Then we as students, and when we become graduates, we try to think like what debts we have, like our parents have invested. That's also a type of debt. I have taken debt. I have told him I wanted to study, I wanted to do this, I want to do that, I want to do IIT, I want to do GE, I want to become a doctor. I went into the medical section and I couldn't do anything. So what are my debts? So I have to fulfill those debts. I have to repay, not in cash but in my work. So these things touch many students. These issues touch many students' face, as well as what life will be like as young professionals. Then we get into tension, but we should worry. Again, if our upbringing and if our educational qualification and if we have listened and we have learned and we have put our mind, again my dream, I have to follow my dream, I have to get hungry for it. That's the place where we start progressing. Parents will be happy, parents will be surprised that my children are doing so well. So come on, let me invest more into it. Okay? So it's like that small example I'll give you about, like I see an auto driver here when we go to board the bus during school, every day he wipes his auto. And one day I just simply asked him, Sir ji, you wipe your auto every day, you keep it nice and clean and tip-top condition, it's very good. Then he said that this is the three-wheeler which has brought me so far, and he showed me his house. And I liked it, so he respects what he's doing. That is his dream. His dream was either to make that house which is already made, but that doesn't mean after he made his house, he threw away the auto. But that auto is bringing in, so that upbringing, he's providing things to his auto. He takes it to the servicing center, he does it, he gets repaired. Then he told me once a year, he puts down his engine of the auto and then he gets his body and all done. He puts new seats, that customer service is there. He knows how to go ahead and he takes care of it. So when the outcome is good, obviously we are going to invest in it. But if that auto is always going to break down, and if he doesn't take care of it, and the money doesn't come in, instead of money coming in, it is getting invested. So there is no issue. There is a huge problem there. Got my point? So I may be not clear, but if you're not understanding, I guess that's the easiest way I can give examples. That's the way I share my information. So I'll come back in the next video. Okay. Thank you so much for you guys for listening and looking at my videos. I hope this is going to make a change in your thinking, and all the best. I'll be back in the next video.